Hello, thanks for joining me. Another quick update on the Tiger Cub project. You can probably see I've got the tank off here because I have decided that I'm going to repaint it. Now, if you saw my earlier video, when I bought the bike, the tank was yellow, and I've had a lot of comments about the colour. A lot of people very positive about it. They say it looks great in yellow, looks super, and you know, don't change it. I did mention in my last video that I was going to paint it a more traditional colour, and yeah, I'm afraid I am. So the yellow fans, I'm sorry about that if you like the yellow, but it's going to be blue and silver. But I've decided I'm going to do it myself, just using rattle cans, because the tank is not in great condition. It's got a few little ripples and dents in it, and you know, this bike is being rebuilt to be used and be ridden. You know, it doesn't really merit an expensive professional paint job. So yeah, blue and silver. I'm just waiting for the weather to get a bit warmer and a bit drier, seeing as I haven't got proper, you know, painting booth, so just need better weather for that. I've already got the paints lined up. In the meantime, other little things I'm messing around with, I'm just really tinkering with it. I mean, I bought the bike all in one piece as a runner, and it's fine. I'm just sort of fine-tuning it. One thing I found is when I took the petrol tank off, the throttle cable was actually routed. You might be able to just see a little bit of yellow paint on there. The throttle cable was actually routed over the top of the frame and round, which meant that it was trapped between the tank and the frame. It's actually getting pinched there. So I've just taken the slide out the carburetor, going to try and reroute it. It's a little bit difficult because, you know, the cable comes right underneath this top frame rail. Very difficult to get it routed and straight. But yeah, just messing with that. Also, when I bought the bike, the carburetor just had this open bell mouth on it, which you know, means obviously it can suck anything into the carburetor. And as I'm intending to use this bike, I've bought a little filter for it. This is an eBay special. I think it's off a little pit bike or something like that, but it'll just fit on the end. Again, I had to get something that would fit because we're quite tight for space, so you can see there's a bit of an angle on that, so that should fit nicely. So, you know, just generally tinkering around with it, making progress. We'll get there. I'll give you more updates when we've got a bit further. Thanks for watching. Bye.